It looks like leche flan.
Oh, it looks good. And we have, cake right here. And of course, we have sapin-sapin. Ang sarap. Oh, look at this. Wow. And the puto. Naku. Puto looks good. And ano to? Suman?
Buto bongbong.
Puto bongbong. There you go. Wow. Now make cake. And then, of course, I bought some fresh fruits. Oh, there you go. Say hi.
Yung asawa ko.
Ay, ikaw pala.
Ayan.
Ikaw pala, aming tagapo ng picture.
Ayan, may kari-kari tayo. May beefsteak. Ayan, merong ginataang sitaw. Ayan pa, meron pang egg roast. And then we have pancit and lasagna. Yummy for my tummy. Ito, ano to, salmon and walnut shrimp. Naku, kasarap. Ganito, ano yan? We have this. Pancit? Pancit ba to? Is this pancit? And okay, ito yung potato, macaroni salad. Oh, ito paborito ko. Who made the pinakbet? This is my favorite. Every time. Sino nagdala nito? Yeah, did you bring it? Oh, I love the pinakbet. Paborito ko yan. Naku, sarap. What do we have here, babe? Ano yan?
Aros caldo yata to.
Oh, nilaga ba to? And then we got arroz caldo going here. Wow, nice. And ano ho yan? Nilaga yun? Tinitingnan ho. Ano pa, konti pang...
Bulalo.
Bulalo? Tinitingnan pa ho yung gulay. Medyo ano pa. Ano to? Ano? Pansit?
This is sotanghon soup.
Oh, ay, wala saan ho yung yung
Ayun, pinapit.
sabaw. Okay, awesome. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, Doc. There they are. Look at these beautiful ladies here. There you go. Woo! Dang pagkain. Look at that. Okay, bye.